welcome back, crew. Hey, so today we're back in the garage, guys, and we're just doing some finishing things on my brake lines, brake booster. I still have to paint that brake booster, but today we're just fiddling around in the garage, and I'm just trying to see what I'm going to really attack next. Everything else before I start putting this truck back together. I showed you guys a couple of videos ago. Put the cab back on, the frame and everything. The frame is painted. It looks really good. I've been messing with the fuse system. The fuse system. I actually hooked up the EFI fuse system on there. So today I think I actually went yesterday to get some hose made for my hydraulic lines. Everything, like I said, when you're doing these custom rides and stuff, everything is really it just doesn't fit up. So you have to basically make it or buy it custom. And of course you guys know that this is a budget build for me, and it should be one for you as well. So if you guys are building a truck like mine, or you building, putting a 5.3 Vortec motor in one of your vehicles, this is the most simplest way, cost efficient way of doing it. So hopefully you guys have been watching all the videos and you see how I put my truck together and stuff. And I know I've been getting a lot of feedback on YouTube and stuff, saying how much they appreciate the videos, and they learned something, basically from the videos that I have been doing. And it's just a different way, a cheaper way of doing things. So this is what we got today. We're going to, I guess today I'm going to try to go ahead and fix my lines for my power steering. I do know that I think I made this line a little too long. I may have to take it back and get it cut and then get it re-crimped, but we're going to try to get it and see if it fit. So, and also I went to Unit Hydraulics and got me some line to make me for my portionate valve. I got this online and I'm pretty sure that's going to fit. Got it hooked up there. I need to paint this, so we need to scuff this up. Hopefully I can get to it today. I'm going to scuff that up, but that'll be the last thing I do. And I also got me some AN fittings. They finally came in. And these here are for my radiator and my transmission. So I got, I actually brought some extra line here. Same lines that, I think they're the same lines. Same lines for my fuel line. And I'm also, they say, you can use it for oil and hydraulic fluid, so this should be good as well for my transmission lines. So there we go. Let's see if you guys can see that, but that goes down in there like that. Alright, so that's the best I can get you guys. So let's see if I can get you guys set up now. This is the return line here. Alright, here we go. Wiggle it up in there. Alright, so let's see if I can get this thing done with one arm here. Alright. Alright guys, so these are the transmission lines. You have one there. I already loosened up one over here. So we can loosen a little bit more. And it's a 19 metric if you need to know what it is. So these things got like a little, see if we can focus in here, has like a little pin. So you guys can see that pin right there. So what I'm trying to do is pull this pin up like that. Pull it out, which we're not going to use these. We're not going to use these. We're going to use the AN fitting, and then this is what makes it your lines loose, and it'll come right out. It's like a little safety latch that keeps it in there. I'm going to take this here. I'll take this off because we won't be using these. We got our AN fittings. So you guys know I like to show you guys everything that I experienced to go through, because I don't want you guys to make the mistake which I caught this. Okay, when I pulled out the back of the seal, or the back of the transmission, the lines, make sure it was a little gasket, an O-ring right inside there. Okay, I saw it before I put my other screws in there, so make sure you remove that, okay, whenever you changing it out. All right, so these are the fittings that I got from my kit. These are Russell fittings. I did order them off Amazon. The one to go into your foil, well, that's a foil 80 transmission for your AN-6. This is a 1/2 inch, I believe. Let me see here. A quarter inch fittings. The number is 640520. See that? And then the ones for your radiator, which we're not going to hook the radiator up right now because I don't have it on the front end, as you guys see over there, but we're still running lines up to this here. And these are Russell fittings as well, and the number here is 640330. We got a foil 80. Okay, so then we got these here. They should fit right in there, just like so. Hand tighten everything, of course, first. And these are the AN-6 fittings. Got my other one that go up here. Everything's going in snug and smooth. And that's it. Once it seats, that's it. We'll do the next one. Alright, crew, so this is going to probably be the end of this video. I just want to recap of everything that we did today. I also went on ahead and put my front brake line to the front of the proportionate valve here, and I ran it down, try to get it away from the exhaust here. And you know, I will clamp it down, but I just don't want to put everything permanent right now, because once I put this fender up here, I may have to relocate this here, or I even may have to go through the fender to get this here. But I just want to make sure everything is basically test fitted, so everything lines up good though. I like how it looks. The next thing we'll be doing, we'll be taking off the brake booster, and we will be painting that, and then we'll put it back on. And then after that, we'll start putting on the front end pieces and stuff like that. But today we did do our hydraulic lines for our rack and pinion here for the power steering box. That's all taken care of. Turned out good. We also ran our transmission lines back to the foil 80 all the way up here. I plumbed everything for my my heater, my radiator. And then what else did we do? So, oh, and we also ran the brake line all the way to the back of the cab, hooked it up to the rear. We actually put some tabs on it, so we locked it in place, came up here to the proportionate valve. And we also, you guys saw when I made this here. So I think it's a pretty good setup. With these old trucks and stuff, it's really hard to hide all the lines. I did do a brake booster on my 47 on Bullseye. I actually put that underneath the dash. That turned out really well. The only problem with that is I barely had room to do my windshield wipers and stuff like that. So I like it out here. Everything is still smooth. For you guys that haven't seen the dash, I'll show that real quick before I end this video. Dash is excellent. It's slick. And the only thing I got on the dash is the brake booster, which is fine, you know. So I think that looks good, guys. So anyway, that's going to be it for this video, guys. Catch me on the next video when more than likely we'll be painting the brake booster. And maybe some miscellaneous parts we'll be painting as well. And after that, guys, we'll be putting this baby back together. So anyway, guys, thanks for hanging out with me today. We got a lot of stuff done. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this video. And, you know, make sure you share it with other people, guys, family members, friends, whoever. And like I always tell people, guys, if you got a good cigar, a fast car, or truck, smoke them if you got them, baby. CJ is out, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.